पाकिस्तान जो इस बार चाल चल रहा है वो इतनी आसान नहीं है। इंडियंस जो इंडिया के अंदर रह रहे हैं चाहे बाहर रह रहे हैं, उन सबको इस टाइम पर इंडिया के साथ एकजुट होकर खड़े होने की जरूरत है। बिकॉज देर इज वन मोर ब्लास्ट, वन मोर कार, बट द लोकेशन इज आउटसाइड अ जुडिशियल बिल्डिंग इन इस्लामाबाद, पाकिस्तान। 11 people, 12 people have been killed, more than 24 are injured. This is एक तीर से दो निशाने जो आसिम मुनीर मारने की कोशिश कर रहा है। पहला, if India will say that Pakistan has done this attack through the organization, terrorist organizations like Jaish-e-Mohammed, whom they perpetrate and fund. Pakistan will say, oh, India has done this attack because first they did it in their own land and then they are doing it in our land. They will try to throw this strategy in geopolitics, in the narrative war which they always try to create. Now, the second thing, this was also an attack on the judicial system of Pakistan, because आसिम मुनीर की दूसरी चाल है पाकिस्तान में रहने वाले सारे जुडिशियल स्टाफ, जजेस, सबको यह समझाने की, बिकॉज दैट पाकिस्तान इज नाउ बिकमिंग अ डिक्टेटरशिप अंडर आसिम मुनीर। बिकॉज द 27th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट जो ये पाकिस्तान लेकर आया है, इन दैट दे आर रीराइटिंग देयर आर्टिकल 243। In that article, Asim Munir will get tremendous power. He keeps losing, he keeps getting bigger and bigger powers. First, he was made the field marshal, but that was just a ceremonial post. But now he has got the real power. But the second change, which people are not talking about, which he really wants to do, is that he wants to control the country and discard the judiciary. In this change, they are also gonna make new constitutional courts, which will discuss constitutional matters. So the court which actually discuss the matters will lose the power, and they will even get the power to reduce funds in a particular state. For example, बलूचिस्तान, वैसे तो अलग देश होना चाहिए, हो भी जाएगा, हाँ आप हमारे अगेंस्ट कुछ भी कर रहे हो, funds decreased. Same thing in Sindh. This is what they are planning and this is what they will do. But to make it happen, they will keep the entire area in disturbance. They are helping the radicalized extremists, I will say, in Bangladesh openly from the front. They are helping them. And then they are doing it in India through these white collar radicalized extremists, and they are doing it in Pakistan. This is anarchy and this is dictatorship of Pakistan, which needs to stand exposed in front of the whole world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.